Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about how you can show the network speed, or you can say the connection speed, in your device Poco M4 Pro. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device you want to check the connection speed, like you want to check the speed of your connected network, it may be the hotspot or Wi-Fi or your mobile data. So you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the connection speed in your device.